In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Google Word Processing document. Now, there are three different ways that we can create our Word document, so I'm going to take you through each one of those. Now, the easiest way is just to go to Google Docs. So I'm going to go here to our little bento menu, and I'm going to choose Docs. This takes us to Google's own little document area, and from here I can create a blank document. Now, the only disadvantage to using Google Docs to create your document is you don't know exactly where your document will be stored. Now, it will show up down here, but as you get more and more documents, it's quite hard to keep them organized. So another way of creating your Google Doc is to go to your Google Drive. And in your Google Drive, you can create a folder to keep your work in. And so let's say Year 7 Work, and create the folder. And then inside that folder, you can make any new folders for different subjects. And so inside that folder, you can create any new folder for different subjects, and then you can create your new Google document in there. So to do that, we just click on New and Google Docs, and we can create our document. Now, the third way to make a Google document is from an assignment that a teacher has set. So if a teacher in Google Classroom has set you an assignment, and they haven't actually created a document for you to do that work in, you can do it here by clicking Add or Create and choose Google Docs. And that will create your Google document, and it will put it in your Google Drive in your Classroom folder, and it will also be ready to hand in your assignment. So it's created the document here, and it's called it Create a New Word Processing Document because that's the name of the assignment. And when I've finished, all I need to do is click Hand In, and the teacher will get my piece of work. So here is my Google document. I've created it. I'm ready to start working. There's just a couple of things I'm going to check. The first thing I'm going to check is that the paper size is correct. So I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and I'm going to check that my paper size is A4. Now, that's really important because our printers use A4 paper, and if it's any other paper size, then it may not come out correctly in our printer. For example, yours might say letter, so it's always worth checking and changing it to A4. Click OK, and then you're ready to go.